Hello guys, this is Jeremiah. This is how the gate machine works. This is a gate, a heavy one, a heavy gate. When you look around, you will see the machine, the gate machine. Here it is, the Centurion, and the keys are here. So I press the open button, and as you will see, the gate will start opening. The gate has opened. Now I press the close button. As you can see, the gate now is closing very softly, closing very well. And all this is from Tungsten. You can also Tungsten Electricals, and also you can open, then you can also stop, you can also close. All this from Tungsten Electricals. Thank you.